Are you tired of buying a whole box of tags and you'll only use a few of them? Or you're limited to 1 or 2 colors? I was gifted this 2-inch punch, a tag punch, by UCEC. Thin paper, any cardstock, even sponge paper. Not foam, but more of a sponge paper. And it's also non-slip. And then it has a little window where it stores them in until you're ready to open, so it's not all messy on your table. You open it up, and there are my new tags in any color that I choose. In the box, it comes with your 2-inch tag punch, as well as some twine to use on your beautiful gifts. It's got a comfortable handle so that you can use the heel of your hand. That is made of sponge paper. Don't use the one with adhesive. You don't want anything that's sticky because it's not good for the blades. Let's see. So you'll always have tags to suit your packaging. And you don't have to buy a box of 100 tags. This you can use every holiday, every birthday, every function to add your own stylish tags. And look how pretty that is.